What do you think, Grant? Are we going to be able to do this?
Of course. Me and my damn crazy ideas.
All right, so we're moving this shed over here. It's just a carport. It's 18 feet wide on the skids, and it's 24 feet, 26 feet long that way. And we got two machines up underneath it, and we're going to try to do what is normally never a good idea, which is back up in unison out towards the street where those cones are, and then we're gonna just try to mosey on in here. And we want to place one skid here and one skid over there on top of that row of blocks. Here's kind of a view from down here. So we got a couple firewood bays, but this is what we got. So I've taken some form boards and I've just sistered all those together. And so Grant's gonna be on the forklift in the front. I'm gonna be on the loader fork in the back. We got these little blocks right here to keep the skids from wanting to pop out off the edges of our beams. And let's give this a go. You still watching? Oh man. Okay, this is what we got going on. These pink marks are our center line for these boards that we sistered together. Again, little 2x4 blocks on the upside to keep these rails from sliding off the end. And I think we're doing pretty good. We're ready to start coming this way. Grant's beating that side over because we're at a little bit of an angle and we don't want to stress these little blocks that are only screwed in here. And I'm a little off center back there, so we're going to try to correct that. But we're pretty well lined up with getting to where we need to be. I think actually we're past the worst part of it, but we'll see. You never know.
Just gotta watch, make sure I don't take off before you.
Right. We have that tape? Oh yeah. I think we almost got it. All right, so here's where we're at. Got this thing moved. My iPhone camera cut out. I don't even have my GoPro today, but we were able to get it out. We backed up this way, went forward in unison, which usually never works out super good, but it's worked out enough. And so our firewood shed roof is almost in its final resting place. We just have to make some final adjustments here, and we're gonna have to anchor it down tonight because we got a big storm coming in tomorrow, and the wind picks up through here like you wouldn't believe. And if we don't anchor it tonight, it's going to be rolled up against the side of the building by tomorrow morning potentially. So what do you think?
Get it down on solid ground.
Yeah, all right. All right, we're just using these blocks again back here. We've got that side blocked up. The front is down. So we've got those blocks there. We've got this beam lowered. I'm going to loosen up these guys. So Grant's gonna lift up just a little bit. And then I'm gonna have to set this phone down and slide this beam out. And as Grant said, we have touchdown, but you missed it because my phone was in my pocket. Don't have the GoPro today, but cool. We got this shed moved. Shed roof, carport, and it is down all the way on all these blocks. So what we're gonna do real quick is we're gonna try to get this thing anchored down to the tops of these blocks tonight before the storm comes. All right, getting some wood delivered. We got par meter on site, and we're dumping this thing out. We're just gonna dump a little bit, then he's gonna pull forward, and then we're gonna push this back in and then dump out the rest. Splash number 2. Guess it'll be a 3 splash deal from here on out. I probably could have backed them in a little bit further because as that trailer's lifting, it actually creeps forward a little bit. Down to the last drop. Clear. It's dumping rain, and the wood shed is looking good. I got the anchors in, used some all thread, some 3/8 and some epoxy, and just doweled it into that concrete there. And still using a tarp for the wood because the rain is coming in sideways, but still a lot better. I was in here the other night and made up these bundles, and it was raining but not blowing in sideways, and it was nice having this cover over the top of me while I was doing that. So glad I got it done, and I'm pretty happy with how it looks. So yeah, anyhow, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll catch you next time. Over and out.